Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to remove text from an image in Canva. To start, add the image containing the text you want to remove into Canva page. Click on the image to select it. Next, head to the top left corner and click on Edit. Then, navigate to the left side and find Magic Studio. Select Magic Eraser and choose the brush size. Click, hold, and drag the brush over the text you want to remove. Once you've covered the text with the eraser, click on Erase. You'll need Canva Pro for this feature, so make sure you have a subscription. That's it! You've now learned how to remove text from an image in Canva. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.